What if you have 30 days to travel? Where would you be? Will you conquer your fears or take it nice and steady? Are you going to look for the best scenery or look for culture and appreciate history? How about trying local street food or perhaps some fine dining on a cruise ship? If you ask me, I'll probably be in Japan. I like the food, so much to see, do. And then there is Korea. I might as well do legit samgyeopsal. I can be in Bali, chill and easy. And then there's Philippines. I definitely will travel next year. How about you? Where will you be? You have 30 days to travel.